This 1 kilogram gold bar is worth about 150,000 Australian dollars today. A year ago, it's worth about half of that. And this one, the much bigger one, actually really heavy, is what the central bank is buying. It's worth about $1.8 million.
Gold is trading in record territory.
Gold,
the best performing asset.
Record buying of gold.
We hear a lot about price of gold going up despite Trump's tariffs causing a lot of volatility on stock markets. So why? To explain, let's go back to the beginning. Hundreds of meters below the surface, massive diggers search for the precious metal. It's so rare that only 3 grams of gold is extracted for every 50 tons of ore. Australia has one of the largest underground gold reserves in the world, and with Trump's trade war and global tensions, gold is tipped to become more valuable.
After 3 decades, mate, this is the best time to be a gold miner. Probably is an unprecedented gold boom or mini gold boom.
Before gold is sold on the global market, it's made into bars at a refinery. This is literally liquid gold, and temperature in a furnace is about 1,000 degrees. These are freshly poured gold bars and they are still a bit hot. At today's price, these gold bars are worth about $21 million. The price of spot gold has hit record highs this year with more than $3,000 an ounce, or more than 5,000 Australian dollars. Analysts from Macquarie Bank say it could go as high as $3,500 an ounce in the September quarter. So what makes gold so attractive? There's been a rush to ship it to the US before any tariffs on gold come in.
Gold is considered a safe haven asset because it's limited in quantity, and because, generally speaking, it's a trusted asset that performs well during periods of instability, so people tend to rotate or gravitate toward gold when there's uncertainty in markets.
Gold is seen as a little bit of an inflation hedge, and tariffs are thought to be inflationary inside the United States. So if we see a recession around the world, typically that will mean lower interest rates. On one level, that makes gold more attractive.
Well, gold has escaped Donald Trump's tariffs for now, and central banks are stockpiling tons of it.
Since the beginning of the war in Ukraine, central banks have bought over 1,000 tons of gold every year, which is double the amount that they bought in the decade before. So I think a combination of more market stress, more uncertainty, and geopolitical tension has been drawing central banks to gold.
Central banks are wary of holding US dollar denominated assets, and that's because the US dollar is one of the best weapons that the US government has when dealing with some of their adversaries globally.